everyone, welcome to this video. So in this video we will see how to read a simple text file or any even the complicated text file, how to read a file. So using some while loop or read command in the Linux. So let's just, before we get started, let's just clear the screen and make it fresh. So let's make a file. Making file, we can use a cat command and this use this redirection to write into this file. So cat will work onto some file name, say test data. Say we can write its name, any name you can use, and then we want this this file to end where this value EOF comes. EOF is simply, you can use anything here, it simply means the end of file. You can even use uh, anything, quotation or exclamation or anything. So I use EOF, which is meaningful sometimes. So I type EOF and then I type the contents of this file: 1 apple and then Rick, and then I type 5 mango Rosita. Okay, and I don't want to put anything inside this file anymore, so I just type EOF and then file ends. If you want to see the contents of this file, you can use cat and then test data, and you can see this file contains these 2 lines, right? So now I want to read these 2 lines and I want to write some statements each time. So I want my quantity to be this first column, I want the second column to be the name of my product, and the third column to be the name of my customer. So you can read it using the while loop. So you use while and then read command, and then you just simply give the name of your variables. So quantity and then product, let's keep it simple, prod, and then customer, and then just whatever you want to print, echo say dollar customer wants dollar quantity of dollar product, and you can even say products. Okay, that's all, and then done. Then you need to give the input file, which is our test data. Okay, let's do it again. Test data. Okay, works fine. So you can read it. Rick wants 1 of apple, Rosita wants 5 of mangoes. So you can simply read any text files and read the columns into any variable names. So here our file is very simple. It's been delimited by space. What if our files are delimited by anything else, say comma? Let's change our file. To change our file, we can use the VI editor also. VI editor is sometimes very useful to use. So just do VI and test data. It's installed in all the Linux operating systems, so you can easily use it. So just use VI and test data and enter. So you can get into this VI window, and for if you want to delete anything or do anything, you cannot do it because you are right now outside this insert mode. So to get into the insert mode, you just type A, and now you are into the insert mode, and you can change anything now. So just delete comma, okay, get down, delete comma, down, comma. Okay, and now I want to save this file, but before saving it, we need to get out of the insert mode. To get out of the insert mode, just press escape button, and now you get out of the insert mode. If you try to delete anything, you cannot delete it. So now I want to save it and just quit this this window. So just type colon and then write and quit, enter. So now you can see the test data value has been changed. So it's add comma has been added everywhere. Okay, so now I want to read this file, and if you run the same script, same while loop, and try to read it, will be unable to read it. You can see it's reading all of them as one file. Quantity, the first variable is reading everything, and the second variable has nothing in it, and the third variable also has nothing in it. So it becomes we are unable to read the file properly. So to read the file, there is one elegant way. We can use the IFS value. IFS simply means the internal field separator value of the Linux. So it's right now it's this space value. So let's save this IFS original IFS value in the OIFS variable, and now we can change the IFS value to anything else. Like here we can use the comma. So now IFS value has changed. Now if we try to read this while loop, so it's now able to read it very properly. So that's how we can manage everything, and after you're done you can just change the IFS value back to this original IFS value, right? So now your IFS is back to the previous one. So that's how you can read any file with any number of variables in, any number of columns into any variable data you want. That's all for in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.